Hi guys, I'm back with the gel polish mani. So Nail Reserve had sent me over some gel polishes to feature on my channel. So the first color is Never Ever, which is a nice kind of peachy orange color, more on the peach side to me, really light. The next color is a mint green, rusty green. And so the swatches were done with base coat, 2 coats of color, and top coat. The next color in the collection that Nail Reserve sent over to me is a nice shade of gray, One Moment. It kind of reminds me of like a olive gray color, if that makes sense. Because at one point it looks gray and then the other point it looks green to me. And this one is Home, which is a shimmer dark green. Reminds me of another color when they were Nail Addict Reserve. And the last color is Share a Mind, which is a really dark teal. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me these polishes to feature on my channel. So guys, we're going to go ahead and get into this application. I've applied 1 coat of Holo Taco Peely Base on top of my Builder Gel application and applied Nail Reserve's the base gel and cured for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. And so we're going to go ahead and get into this application, and I apply 2 thin coats of color to each nail and cure for 30 seconds. With Nail Reserve gel polishes, they are nicely pigmented, and you want to make sure that you apply thin layers of gel polish, because if you apply the layers too thick, they may not cure properly in your LED lamp. And so some colors that I have from Nail Reserve usually, or sometimes, or some colors, what am I saying, I can usually get away with 1 coat. It seems like with the darker colors, you could possibly get away with 1 coat, and then with lighter colors it seems like you need 2 coats with that. And so again, I'm going to go in and apply a second coat, to a thin coat, to all my nails and cure for 30 seconds, and then I will go in and apply the no wipe top coat and cure for 30 seconds as well. So here are my nails after the no wipe top coat, nice and shiny, no problems at all. And so of course I cannot leave my nails plain. And so I have some water slide decals from Fashion Nails. Off camera I forgot what I applied, but it wasn't these decals, it was something else, nail foil. I was trying to do some nail foil and it just was not working out for me for whatever reason. And so I removed that with alcohol, and then I went in with these with the water decals. Now once I finished it, it wasn't my favorite look for this particular color, but the flowers and decal blended in with the nail. I thought it kind of looked like grandma's quilted or crocheted sweater, like old school, but you know, it is what it is. So once I get the water decals placed, I clean up or remove any excess decal from the cuticle area with a nail brush and acetone, and then I go in and apply another layer of top coat and cure for 30 seconds. So here's the finished look after that top coat. They're nice and shiny, no problems at all. That decal kind of stuck out on the side of my nail a little bit, but I pulled these off the next day. And so guys, please like this video if you found value. Leave a comment, let me know what you think, and subscribe to my channel. It is free. So thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.